Laser.
Go.
Okay, this is the second laser that came in from OMG Laser. Another awesome job from Richard. It did have wrap all the way around it, kind of like the other one that I just did a video of. I pulled the wrap off because this one's a little bit bigger, and with one person pulling it off, I don't know if I could get it. So I went and got that off. Inside, packaging phenomenal again. I ripped into it when it was delivered just so I could take a quick look and make sure that I didn't see a bunch of damage inside. But what I'm going to do is try to pull most of this off and then pull the box up over top. As I've said, I've seen people do videos, or not videos but pictures, and they tear the crate apart instead of just taking out the 10 screws that are holding the bottom of it together. So first I'll go in here and see what I can do to get a bunch of this off, so it'll make it easier to pull the box off, because the box is pretty heavy. So all I'm doing is taking the box knife and cutting the packaging.
Honestly, I think this is one you might want to undo. The box.
Yep. What a gorgeous machine. As I said, this is a 60-watt CO2. Making sure that there's nothing back behind that I'm going to cut. Okay, I think I'm to a point where I'm going to have to try to take the box off. I'll see if I can do it with one person. I'm not quite sure. Let me go. Let's pull some more of this out of the way here. Well, with the size of this box, I decided that I wasn't going to be able to do it by myself. So I got Delane here to give me a hand. There we go. I love how he's got this wrapped up so well. I mean, everything on here, complete moisture barrier. You know, I'm in Idaho, so our weather this time of the year, it's starting to change. It's freezing, it's raining, it's snowing. We had snow yesterday, so wow. Absolutely beautiful.
Leave that anything inside, honey.
Yeah, what an awesome job packing. Laser is just gorgeous. And as I said, this is a 60-watt CO2. See what kind of accessories I got here with it. I've been wanting one of these for quite a while. This is the rotary disc. So, be able to go and set this up, facing up, being able to go put mug handles on here, or the mug, so you can make up some sort of plat that you can go and put mugs onto. So you could probably do 4 mugs. It would etch one, then rotate, etch the next one, rotate, X the next one, and so on. So I'd work cards or whatever you have multiple items to rotate. The motor for it, gorgeous. And also the regular chuck. And this chuck I really like because it looks like it'll rotate degrees. You see where I put my... This is probably the box with the accessories and drivers, USB drive. Oh, excellent. That's cute. Got the pedal, start, stop for it. Full set of Allens. This one I think I ordered this one with a 2 and a 300mm lens. So there's the other lens. More cables. Thumb drive. I have to say, Richard always makes me very happy and he's doing a great job. So that's about all I have. I can't wait to get this set up and running. Yeah, gorgeous machine. Again, thank you so much. This is Mike with Mike's Custom Creations. And I'm really happy with everything that OMG Laser has done. Thank you.